Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Safemoon on Coinbase. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. To buy Safemoon on Coinbase, you will also require access to Kucoin. So first go to coinbase.com and sign in, tap send or receive. A pop-up will show up. So under send, select the crypto to do the transaction with. In this video, we will be using Bitcoin. Now add the amount for the transaction. Next, go to m.kucoin.com and log in. You need to find the Bitcoin address here. So tap Assets at the bottom right and tap Main Account. Here, search for BTC and tap on it. Tap Deposit. You can now see the QR code and Bitcoin address, so tap Copy Address. Next, go back to Coinbase and paste the Kucoin wallet address. You can also add a note here, but it is optional. When done, tap Continue. After the transaction is complete, you will have Bitcoin in your Kucoin account. So go to Kucoin again and tap Trade. In this step, you must trade your Bitcoin with Binance. So buy BNB with BTC. After the transaction, you will have Binance coins. After that, withdraw the BNB to your Trust wallet. You will now have BNB in a Trust wallet. So open Trust Wallet and tap BNB. Tap Swap. Here, tap Swap to Smart Chain. Add the full amount and swap. Once you have the BNB Smart Chain, tap D-Apps and go to Pancake Swap. Add the BNB Smart Chain amount and select Safemoon. Tap Swap. And that's how you buy Safemoon on Coinbase. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.